Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
Welcome back to Snack English, the place where we stop studying and we start living.
Sarah, I have to be honest. I am ready to relax.
That brings us to the most famous question in the English language.
What question is that?
The question is, how was your day?
Ah, yes. How was your day?
It is the universal question. We use it to connect. We use it to say, I care about you.
But Sarah, there is a problem.
What is the problem?
When someone asks me, how was your day? My brain stops.
It freezes?
Yes, I forget everything. I forget my breakfast. I forget my work. I just say, good.
Good. Just one word?
Yes, it was good. And the conversation dies. It is terrible.
That is very common. We want to tell a story, but we don't know where to start.
Exactly. A day is 24 hours. Where do I begin? Do I talk about brushing my teeth? Do I talk about the traffic? It is too much information.
You need a structure, Adam, a simple frame for your picture.
A frame. I like that.
You don't need to say everything, you just need 3 sentences.
3 sentences? That doesn't sound like enough.
It is perfect. Think of your day like a sandwich.
I love sandwiches. Continue.
You have the top bread, that is the beginning, you have the meat or cheese, that is the middle, and you have the bottom bread, that is the end.
Top, middle, bottom. Beginning, middle, end.
Exactly. And we use 3 magic words to connect them.
Magic words? Tell me.
First, then, finally.
First, then, finally.
Yes, if you use these 3 words, you sound organized, you sound fluent, and you don't panic.
Okay, can we try this? Can we build the sandwich?
Let's try it with your day, Adam.
Okay, I will try the formula.
Start with first. Tell me about the morning.
First, I woke up late because my alarm didn't ring.
Oh no, a bad start.
Yes, I was rushing. I was running.
Okay, that is the top bread. Now give me the meat, the middle of the day. Use then.
Then I went to the bank, but I forgot my ID card.
Adam, you forgot your wallet in episode 1 and now your ID card?
I know, I'm a disaster. The security guard looked at me. He said, no ID, no entry.
So you didn't go in?
No, I had to go back home. It was frustrating.
Okay, so that is the main event. Now give me the bottom bread, the end of the day. Use finally.
Finally, I came here to the studio, and now I am happy.
See, that was perfect.
It felt easy. Let me repeat it.
Go ahead.
First, I woke up late. Then, I had a problem at the bank. Finally, I am relaxing with you.
That is a complete story. You didn't say good, you told me about your life.
And it only took 10 seconds.
Exactly. And because you used first, then, finally, I understood the timeline. I knew what happened before and what happened after.
It organizes the listener's brain too.
Yes. Now, Adam, I want to ask you, how was my day?
Oh, I'm curious. Sarah, how was your day? Was it crazy like mine?
No, my day was the opposite. It was very calm.
Show me. Use the formula.
Okay, first I had a beautiful breakfast on my balcony.
Sounds nice. What did you eat?
Just toast and fruit, but the sun was shining, it was peaceful.
Okay, step 2.
Then I finished a big project for work.
You finished it?
Yes, I sent the email, click, done.
That is a great feeling. The feeling of success.
It is. I felt light, like a weight was lifted off my shoulders.
And step 3?
Finally, I walked to the studio to meet you.
That is a lovely day.
It was simple, but look at the difference. Your story was stressful, my story was calm, but we used the same structure.
First, then, finally.
Adam, do we always have to use exactly these words?
That's a good question. Can I change them?
Of course. First can be in the morning.
In the morning, I woke up late.
Then can be after that.
After that, I went to the bank.
And finally can be at the end of the day.
At the end of the day, I came here.
But for beginners, stick to first, then, finally. It's the strongest snack.
It's crisp, it's clear.
Now, Adam, I want to talk about the middle part, the then part.
Why?
Because usually that's where the interesting thing happens.
The drama.
Yes, in your story, the bank was the drama. In my story, the project was the victory.
So when people answer, "How was your day?" they should focus on one event?
Yes, don't list everything. I woke up, I brushed teeth, I put on socks, I opened door.
Boring.
Very boring. Pick one highlight or one lowlight.
A low light? Is that a word?
It is now. A bad moment is a lowlight. A good moment is a highlight.
My bank story was a low light.
Yes, but it was funny.
It is funny now. It was not funny then.
That's how stories work. Tragedy plus time equals comedy.
Friends, Sarah and I are having fun, but now we want to hear from you.
Yes, we want you to build your sandwich.
We're going to pause. I want you to think about your day, today.
Think about the morning first.
What happened? Did you drink coffee? Did you miss the bus? Did you exercise?
Think about the middle. Then.
What was the main thing? Work? School? A delicious lunch?
Think about now. Finally.
You are watching us.
Let's try it together. We'll give you quiet time, just 10 seconds. Fill in the blanks.
First, I blank.
Then I blank.
Finally, I blank.
Go.
Did you do it?
I hope so. Did you say it out loud?
Even if you just whispered, first, coffee, then, work, finally, home.
That counts. That's English. So, Adam, what if someone had a really boring day? Nothing happened.
First, I woke up, then I breathed, finally, I sat down.
That's a Zen day, a monk day.
Is it okay to say that?
Of course. You can say, first I slept in, then I did nothing, finally I'm relaxed.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday.
It does. Simplicity is okay. You don't need an explosion to speak English.
You just need the words.
So, Adam, let's practice one more time, but let's imagine a dream day, a fantasy day.
Ooh, I like fantasy. Can I go first?
Please, tell me about your dream day.
First, I woke up on a beach in Hawaii.
Nice start.
Then, I ate a giant pizza with no calories.
No calories? This really is a fantasy.
Finally, I flew a helicopter to the moon.
Wow, that escalated quickly, from pizza to the moon.
But did you understand my story?
I understood it perfectly. First beach, then pizza, finally moon.
See, the structure works for reality and for dreams.
It works for everything.
So, here's your mission for tonight or for tomorrow.
Find someone, your partner, your child, your cat, or even a mirror.
Ask yourself, how was my day?
And answer with the sandwich.
First, then, finally.
Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry if you use the wrong verb tense.
Just get the order right.
Flow is more important than perfection.
Sarah, how is your day ending?
Finally, I'm going to go home and read a book.
That sounds perfect.
And you?
Finally, I'm going to find my ID card. I hope it's in the car.
Good luck, Adam. Have a wonderful and happy day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.